In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage projects with Asana in just 5 minutes. If you're new to project management or just looking to streamline your workflow using Asana, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, head over to Asana's official website. If you're completely new to Asana, you'll need to create an account. It's a straightforward process that involves entering your details to set up a new account. For those of you who already have an account, simply go ahead and log in using your credentials. Now, once you're at the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Enter it and then click on the continue button. Right after that, type in your password and press login to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your Asana homepage. This is your command center where you manage all your projects. To kick off a new project, find and click on the new project button. Asana offers a variety of templates to make your life easier. Feel free to explore these templates as they can save you a lot of time setting up common project types. Alternatively, you can choose to start with a blank project if you have something specific in mind. Now give your project a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Once named, continue by clicking the continue button. Next, you'll need to decide how you want to view your project. Asana provides different viewing options like lists, boards, calendars, and more. Choose the one that best suits your project's needs. Then simply click Create Project and watch as your new workspace comes to life. Now that your project is set up, it's time to add tasks. Adding tasks is essential as it helps you break down the project into actionable items. Click on Add Task and fill in the necessary details. For each task, you can click on Details to add a deeper layer of information, such as descriptions or any attached documents. It's also a good idea to assign a team member as the assignee for the task. This ensures accountability and clear delegation. Don't forget to add due dates to keep track of timelines. If a task can be broken down further, utilize the Add Subtask feature. If you need a comprehensive overview, navigate over to My Tasks to get a bird's eye view of all your projects and tasks. As you familiarize yourself with the setup, explore Asana's features like Customize, where you can add forms, rules, custom fields, and so much more. This customization is key to tailoring your workflow. Congratulations, you've set up your project in Asana and started organizing tasks like a pro. Feel free to explore Asana further and take full advantage of all its offerings to maximize productivity and efficiency in your projects. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide was helpful.